Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today, we would like to continue our new chapter. So the title is line integral. Before we learn regarding the how we can evaluate the line integral, in here we would like to define the some application of the line integral. As we can see in here, there are three examples. The first example here, as we can see in here, this is the application is wind speed and direction. As we can see in here, in every wind speed and direction should be as the vector. So using the line integral, so we can predict the power of wind, the power of wind. So we can also predict the power of the angin puting beliung, angin, for example, angin topan and others. In the next example, as we can see in here, this is the example of the ocean current. So in here, we can see in here, this direction, represent as the vector. So this vector, we can predict the power of the ocean. So for example, when the condition is tsunami, so we can predict the power of the tsunami using the vector or using the line integral for the vector. And the last one, as we can see in here, if you would like to design the wing of airplane, so you can also making the design and making the simulation between the wing and also when they making the wing, then they will interact, with the air, so the design of the wing, this is the design of wing and this is the air. So this is the example or the application of the low flow path and airfoil. So as we can see in here, there is the direction for every application in here. So in this application, we use the vector field as the representation of the direction for the wind speed, ocean current, or low flow path in airfoil. So in the vector field, so we represent as this one, as the vector. So we use the symbol, this one, F capital XY should be equal PXYI. This is the component of X, and plus QXYJ. Okay, then should be equal. So to making sort, so we can sort with this one, F PI plus QJ. So means this one, this is the component of X, this is component Y. For example, in this example, we define the vector field with this equation. Fxy should be equal minus yi plus xj. So as we can see in here, so we can making the table in here, when from the point x comma y. So for example, in the x equal 1 and y equal 0. In the point 1, 0, 1.0 in here, 1.0. So the vector field, as we can see in here, y should be 0. So means that 0i plus in here 1. So plus 1j. Means that there is no movement in the go to right or go to the left. So 0. And also 1j means that go up for the one, for the one here. So this is the direction. The next one, in the next one, as we can see, for example, 2.2. 2.2. So 2.2 means that x equal to y equal to. So we can see in here, so it will equal minus 2i plus 2j. So means that going to the left 2 here, going to the left 2, and also go up 2. So this is the vector in the 2.2. In the last one, for example, 3.1. So means that we interact with this one. So the vector field should be equal 0i plus 3j. So if 3.0 in here, 3.0 and also 0, okay, 0i and also 3j. Okay, and how about in here? In here is 0.3, so this is 0.3. So we'll get the result of vector field should be equal minus 3i plus 0j. So we will get this one. This is 0.3. So this is the vector field. Going to the left, yeah, 3, and also go up and go down 0. So this is the direction. So this is, as we can see in here, how we can draw, yeah, how we can sketch the vector field, yeah, for every point. So as we can see in here, this vector field perpendicular with the x. Perpendicular with the x means that perpendicular with the x. So because this one, if we making dot product with the x equal xi plus yj, so the perpendicular means this one, the result 0. So this is the perpendicular. So means that the magnitude, yeah, we can see in here the magnitude, yeah, the magnitude should be equal fxy minus y square plus x square. So this is, as we can see in here, x square plus y square. So should be equal, the magnitude of the vector field should be equal the magnitude of this one, magnitude of the vector x. As we can see in here, this is the meaning of here, should be equal, yeah, equal the circle. So the magnitude means that they making this one, the magnitude of the vector field making the circle. Okay, and the next one, this is in the 3D or in the 3D space. So we would like to making the sketch the vector field, yeah. For example, we have this one, fx comma y comma z should be equal zk. So what the meaning? For any value of xy, when the condition z equals 0, so should be the vector field 0. So means this one should be 0. All in here, there is no vector field. But when the condition for any value x and y equal any value, but z equal 1, so means that the vector field should be 1. So this one, 1, 1, 1, 1, here 1, 1, 1, and others. In the next one, as we can see in here, if we put minus 1, so this is all should be minus 1 also. Minus 1. If the z equal minus 1. If the z equal 2, so should be 2. 2, 2, 2, this one, 2, 2, 2, 2. Going to up, all should be 2. This is also minus 2. So this is how we can sketch the vector field in the 3D dimension. This is very simple, but how about if we making the next? So if we would like to making this one, fx comma y comma z equal yi plus zj plus xk should be equal this one. Because so this is how we can draw this one. We cannot sketch by ourselves, means that we need the computer to represent the vector field. So actually this is some application. So this is the reason like in the Badan Geometry and Geofisika, they would like making the simulation using the computer and others, because they can make the simulation using this one. So this is the benefit using the computer algebra to define the model of the wine, model of the ocean current, and others to define in the 3D space. Okay, in the next video we would like to discuss regarding the first one is line integral part 1, means we using ds, and the second one we discuss about integral part 2, so we using dx and dy. See you in the next video. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone.